Hey, welcome to the channel. So, you're tired of all the fake promises about making money online. The ads, the clickbait videos, the overnight success stories, all claiming it's easy, fast, and guaranteed. Maybe you've already dipped your toes into dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or Amazon FBA, only to find out it's not as simple as they make it sound. And now, you're drowning in motivational YouTube videos, hearing the same recycled phrases. Just do this one thing, click this button, you're just one funnel away. Let me stop you right here. This video is different. No fluff, no hype, no selling you a dream. I'm here to save you time, money, and energy, and give you a clear, honest picture of how people actually make money online. Stick around until the end. There's a free resource waiting for you that might change the way you approach online income. I've been there, trying everything, hoping to stumble upon that one method that just clicks. I started out thinking it was just about finding the right system. I offer my services on Fiverr. No one ordered. I tried crypto and forex trading. I lost everything. I even followed gurus who said they had the only blueprint I'd ever need. Spoiler, they didn't. At one point, I had to ask myself, why is this not working for me? And the answer hit me. It's not that these methods don't work. It's that they don't work like they're advertised. And they don't work the same for everyone. Here's the reality. Most online business models can work. Yes, dropshipping works. Affiliate marketing works. Selling courses works. Kindle publishing, YouTube, freelancing. Even Etsy shops. They all work. But every single one of them comes with a learning curve. They take time, patience, and usually some money up front. The real challenge isn't does this work? It's is this worth my time, money, and effort, and will it work for me? Because some methods might take months, even years, before they generate decent income. And let's be honest, not everyone has that kind of time or risk tolerance. That's why I went deep, analyzing, testing, failing, and refining. And eventually, I narrowed it down to two methods that actually work today, with relatively low barriers to entry. And I'm going to walk you through both, step by step. Let's start with the one most people overlook. Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, on Amazon. With KDP, you can publish your own books, digital and print, and sell them worldwide on Amazon. But here's the best part. You don't need to be a writer. Many people create low-content books. Journals, planners, coloring books, log books, puzzle books, sketchbooks. These are fast to make and have high viral potential. Now, traditionally, you'd rely on Amazon SEO or run ad to sell. But today, people are leveraging TikTok to go viral and drive free traffic. Here's how it works. 1, you create a journal and publish it via KDP. 2, you price it at, let's say, $16. Your profit per sale is around $6, $7. 3, then you make short TikTok videos showing the book, maybe flipping to pages or sharing funny or relatable quotes inside. 4, one video hits 100,000 views. Statistically, if just 1% of those people buy, that's 1,000 sales. 5, that's potentially $7,000 in profit from one video. Repeat the process with multiple books and videos, and suddenly you build a scalable system. The steps summarized. Create your KDP account. Design and publish a book. Create a TikTok account. Post 2 to 3 videos per day. Double down on what goes viral. And yes, it works even better with a niche strategy. Moms, students, entrepreneurs, mental health, fitness, you name it. Use Canva to design interiors and covers. Tools like BookBolt or Tangent templates can speed up creation. Don't overthink perfection. Quantity and testing matter. Use trending TikTok audio and hashtags for discoverability. Now, on to something with even more long-term potential. Method number 2, YouTube channels. YouTube isn't dead, it's evolving. And if you know how to play the game, it can become one of the most powerful income streams out there. Some channels post just 10 to 20 videos a year and earn thousands per month. YouTube pays creators based on ad revenue, and the amount depends on 2 key metrics. CPM, cost per mil, how much advertisers pay per 1,000 monetized views. RPM, revenue per mil, what you actually earn per 1,000 views. The average RPM? Between $2 to $15. In high-paying niches like finance, business, or tech, it can go as high as $30 plus. How to start a channel. 1. Pick a niche you enjoy and that has profit potential. 2. Research your audience. What problems do they have? What are they searching for? 3. Create valuable videos. Oh, strong titles. Oh, attention-grabbing thumbnails. Oh, clear scripts. Oh, high-retention content. Oh, engaging delivery. 4. Post consistently. Once a week is a great start. 5. Optimize for CTR and watch time. Those 2 metrics are what make YouTube promote your video to new viewers. You don't even need to show your face. Channels using AI voiceover, stock footage, or slideshows are growing fast. You can even outsource everything: script writing, editing, voiceover, and thumbnails. Here's a basic scenario. Your video gets 100,000 views in a niche with $10 RPM. That's $1,000 from one video. Now imagine publishing 20 to 30 solid videos per year. Some will flop, some will go viral, but your old videos keep generating revenue passively. That's the beauty of YouTube. Want to scale faster? Build a small team or hire freelancers. Repurpose your content on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. Use affiliate links, digital products, or coaching to increase earnings. Remember, your YouTube channel is a digital asset. It grows in value over time and opens doors to brand deals, sponsorships, partnerships, and more. Both Kindle Publishing and YouTube require time and consistency, but they don't require huge investments, technical skills, or prior experience. They're accessible, scalable, and most importantly, they're real. Set realistic goals. Want a side income? You can do this solo. Want to build a full-time business? Consider delegation. There will be roadblocks. You'll fail sometimes. That's part of the process. But every failure teaches you something, and the next time, you'll be better equipped to win. As promised, I've created a free file where I break down all the most common online business models, what they are, how they work, and what they really cost in time and money.